Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did my nails using these $3 nail kit from Dollar General. These nails were and still are very perfect. They're so perfect. They look just like I got them done at the salon. So first things first, I'm just filing my nails to prepare them for when I put the glue on and pressing them on. So I'm just filing my nails right now, getting the extra oils off my nail beds. I don't have any nail polish remover, so once I'm done doing this, I will wash my hands like you normally would at the salon. But if you have nail polish remover, you can just wipe your nails off with a cotton ball, or you can just wash them. But I'm not washing them right now. I'm just gonna file them and wash them when I'm done. So right now this is how my nails look. I'm all done filing my nails. Now you will see that I am wiping my nails with paper towel after I wash them with warm water, and just making sure they're dry before you put the glue on there. What I love about these nails though is that once you find the nail that fits your finger, whatever finger you decide to try it on, it has numbers on the back underneath. Um, as I just showed you, it has numbers underneath the nail, so you don't have to find a match for it, like every time you do it. You just find the match for the first 5 fingers, and then you just look for the numbers underneath. I'm not sure if that always been a thing on nails. I don't know. Probably. I just never noticed that when I get my nails done. They just always fit them to our fingers and just, do our nails. So now I'm just putting all of the nails that I'm not using to the side. This nail glue, y'all, is a pain in the butt. It took me too long to get this open. I was still having so many problems with this glue stick that I didn't show you guys, but of course, obviously, I'm putting the glue on my whole nail bed, and I will press the nail down. And as you guys can see, it looks so good, and I haven't even done much, but just put the nail on. I love these nails. I'm still wearing them now, and they will last up to 7 days and maybe longer, depending on whatever you're doing with your hands. Oh wow, y'all! I just got a message saying that gas is $1. Hold on, let me see. I need to go fill my car up. Um, I'm not really a bright color person. These are perfect for everyday wear. They should, they go with everything you wear, versus having a bright pink, lime, neon green. It's like they kind of clash with the outfits. But this color is perfect for, you know, everyday wear. How have you guys been during this time? I know a lot of you are struggling to stay in the house. Me, I am doing okay. Like, I never really was an outside person unless it was like a party or going to the bar. I'm not really you know, crazy about being out anyway. My hair, I'm natural, so I don't really have a problem with my hair. So that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video and would like to see more of my quarantine nails, just like this, and comment below. Thank you. Bye.